How can one tool flood online coaches with new clients every day? I'm going to show you the tool, I'll show you how it works, and I'm going to give it to you for free. Now, if you're like me, at one time you didn't know where to start, had inconsistent marketing, no leads, you were stressed, not growing, no success, not having fun. Now, I come up with this because I had to. You see, I have a great program called Build Lab. It helps coaches, consultants, course creators, and I know how to create content. But for some reason, I wasn't posting each day. And if I'm not posting, people won't find me. If people don't find me, I can't help them grow their coaching business. Maybe you're having the same problem, trying to grow your coaching business, but you're not marketing daily. That's why I had to make this tool to help me. It helps my members of Build Lab too. It's the daily content creation workflow and a 90-day challenge attached to it. See, content marketing works because of its consistency of list building. Building a list of people who have the problem that you can solve so that you can actually sell the people on the list the solution. But it's hard to do that if you're not using tools and systems. But here's the deal. It's hard to be consistent without systems. It's hard to have time without systems. It's hard to be disciplined without systems. It's hard to get things done without systems. Plus, I knew if I could just keep it simple, if I made a schedule, challenged myself with a 90-day sprint, and I had a unique recipe to follow, then I knew I could actually do it. Let's look at the 90-day content marketing challenge. Here's how it works. For 90 days straight, you will post 1 long-form piece of content that is less than 15 minutes, 3 short-form pieces of content that you can just pull out of your long-form piece of content that you made that day. Deliver value in the comments on each of the 2 platforms for 15 minutes each. Email that long-form piece of content to your list using the value train system. Time yourself from when you start and when you finish so that you can actually iterate and improve and see how you can get better. Then, just record if you made a sale that day and how much it was. Now, you might be wondering, how are you going to do all that? Well, to begin with, this isn't for everyone, even though anyone can do it. It's for people dedicated and that are willing to actually make it happen. Now, it'll be much easier if you have everything simplified. Marketing is just content that educates people, and it's like a magnet that pulls in your ideal audience. The more magnets you have out there, the more ideal audience you'll have on your list that you can sell your solution to. So, because I, and just about every other human, sucks at consistency, we need to make a schedule and have a recipe to follow. That's why I created the daily content creation workflow. That's exactly what it's for. Here's how it works. Each day you pull up the daily content creation workflow Google Doc, answer the questions, create your outline, make the content step by step, then publish it. Using the 90-day challenge content marketing checklist is going to help you get that done. And at first, you have to get familiar with it. It's going to feel weird and different. And you'll still have to use willpower to actually get started. But it's when you take action that you get motivated. It's not getting motivated to take action. But I can promise you this, using this thing will save you time. It'll make it easier for you to get more members, and it's helping me get more members into my Build Lab program. It makes life easier. It makes marketing more fun. But I also discovered that we can have success if we just have systems. Getting new clients each day is not magic. It's using systems and being consistent. It's really just always showing up consistently and providing value, sharing with people what it is that you do to actually help them solve their problem, and then solving some of their problem while you do that. So, if you want the tools that we covered in this video, it's just one tool, but there's 2 parts to it. Go down in the description and get them. They're both there, and they're free for you to have. You can also learn about email automation in the next video here.